Today we are about to enter one of the world's most modern jelly candy mega factories, where thousands of kilos of colorful, soft, melt-in-your-mouth jelly candies are made every day. How ordinary sugar, mixed with water, gets such a beautiful shape, color, and taste. We will see the entire process from start to finish. Let's get started. Inside the Jelly Candy Mega Factory, full process documentary. Sugar preparation. The first step in making jelly. Preparing the sugar. This huge warehouse stores thousands of bags of sugar. This is where production begins. The sugar is poured from large storage bags into a giant stainless steel melting tank. Now the tank is heated to about 120 degrees Celsius. The sugar slowly melts into a thick, clear syrup. Then the hot syrup goes through the pipeline to the production line. Once the sugar has melted, the jelly base is ready. Now, the real fun begins. Color and flavor mixing. Now we come to the flavor and color mixing room. Here, rows of separate tanks are filled with liquid flavors of various flavors, including strawberry, mango, orange, blueberry, and apple. First, the color is poured into the hot syrup. Thick red, yellow, orange. Each drop instantly colors the entire syrup. Then citric acid is added, which creates the sweet-sour taste of the jelly. And the most important part, gelatin or pectin, which thickens the syrup and gives it jelly-like properties. The robotic mixer makes the entire mixture perfect in a matter of minutes. Molding line. Now let's move on to the jelly molding section, the most iconic and busy part of the factory. There are thousands of silicone molds here, bear shapes, fruit shapes, star shapes, heart shapes, and more. Hot liquid jelly is filled into these molds at a very high speed through injection nozzles. Hundreds of jellies are being made every second. In a word, complete automation. Cooling and setting chamber. After filling the molds, the jellies are taken to the cooling chamber. The temperature here is only 5 degrees Celsius. The jellies slowly freeze and harden in the cold, but still soft, smooth, and bouncy. After a while, the jellies come out in a beautiful shape, with the perfect texture drying and sugar coating. Now the jellies are entering the drying room. Here, the moisture content of the jelly is reduced by strong air, so that the outside is a dry coating and the inside is a soft jelly texture. Then comes the most interesting part, sugar or sour powder coating. The jellies are rotated in a huge rotating drum. Fine sugar or sour powder is sprinkled on top. In a few moments, a shiny coating is formed on the jelly. Packaging line. Now the jellies have reached the high-speed packaging line. Here, first, the weight is measured and the exact amount of jelly is poured into each packet. Then, an ultra-fast sealing machine seals hundreds of packets per minute. Then the date, batch number, and quality seal are printed. Finally, the packets go into cartons, ready to be shipped domestically and internationally. Quality Control Lab. Each batch is sent for lab testing to ensure quality standards. Here, the checks are color, smell, texture, weight, taste. The internal structure of the jelly is viewed under a microscope, and the softness is measured on a scale. Only if all the tests are correct does the batch go to market. Export and final shots. Finally, in the huge warehouse, cartons full of packets are arranged in rows. Forklifts load cartons onto trucks, and from there, the jellies spread all over the world to reach you and me. This is how ordinary sugar, color, and flavor are transformed into colorful, delicious jelly candies through a vast automated process. Every step of the factory is perfect, controlled, and beautifully designed. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more industry and factory process videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.